everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I'm Emily.
Hi, friends. I'm Alex. We are very happy you are here with us today.
Please sit comfortably, take a deep breath, relax. Today, we will talk about something very important, your morning routine.
Yes, what you do in the morning can change your whole day.
That's right. A good morning routine helps you feel calm, focused, and ready.
And today, you will learn simple English while we talk about simple morning habits.
So relax, listen, repeat, and enjoy learning. Let's start with some easy questions you can answer out loud.
Yes, speak. Don't be shy.
What time do you wake up?
Do you feel tired in the morning?
Do you check your phone first?
Do you eat breakfast?
Very good. You are already speaking English. Emily, let's learn some easy words. 1. Wake up. Stop sleeping. I wake up at 6 a.m. 2. Alarm. A sound that tells you to wake up. My alarm rings loudly. 3. Stretch. Move your body slowly. I stretch my arms. 4. Fresh. Clean and new feeling. I feel fresh after washing my face. 5. Habit. Something you do every day. Drinking water is a good habit. 6. Plan. Think about what to do. I plan my day. 7. Focus. Give attention. I focus on my work. 8. Calm. Peaceful, not stressed. Morning time is calm. 9. Productive. Doing useful things. I have a productive day. 10. Routine. Things you do every day in the same way.
Repeat with us. Routine. Habit. Calm. Focus.
Alex, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6:30. Not too early, not too late.
Good. What is the first thing you do?
I drink water. 1 big glass.
That is a great habit. It helps your body wake up.
Yes, before coffee, before phone.
Ah, no phone. That is very important.
Yes, the phone makes my brain busy too fast.
Exactly. Morning should be calm.
After water, I stretch for 2 minutes.
Stretching is simple but powerful.
Then I wash my face. I feel fresh.
Fresh face, fresh mind.
Yes.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, something small. Banana and bread.
Simple food gives simple energy.
After breakfast, I sit quietly for 5 minutes.
What do you do?
I think about my day. I plan.
Planning in the morning helps you focus.
Yes, my day feels organized.
This is a productive morning routine.
Many people wake up and check social media.
Yes, and then 30 minutes are gone.
Then they feel late, they feel stressed.
The whole day starts badly.
But a calm morning creates a calm day.
For students, this is also important.
Yes, wake up, wash face, review lessons.
For workers, wake up, plan tasks.
For parents, wake up before children.
Even 10 quiet minutes helps a lot.
Now you speak. Repeat after us. I wake up at... The first thing I do is... I feel fresh when... My good morning habit is... I want a calm morning because... Very good.
Some learners say, I wake up at 6 a.m. and check immediately phone.
Better, I check my phone immediately.
Or I immediately check my phone.
Another mistake, I do breakfast.
Correct, I have breakfast.
Yes, we have breakfast.
Repeat the words wake up, habit, routine, calm, focus.
Repeat the sentences. I wake up early. I drink water. I stretch my body. I plan my day. I feel calm.
Remember, friends, small habits make big change.
You don't need 1 hour, just 10 minutes.
A good morning is a gift to yourself.
You are learning English and improving your life at the same time.
Be proud of yourself. Alex, many people say, I don't have time in the morning.
Yes, I hear this a lot, but the truth is we have time. We just use it badly.
That's very true. Even 5 minutes can change your morning.
Emily, do you make your bed in the morning?
Yes, every day.
Why?
Because it is my first small success of the day.
Ah, I like that. Small success.
When I make my bed, I feel organized.
And your room looks clean.
A clean space makes a calm mind.
So, listeners, do you make your bed?
I also open my window.
Fresh air?
Yes, fresh air and sunlight.
Sunlight helps your body wake up naturally.
And I take a deep breath.
Let's do it together. Breathe in, slowly, and out.
After that, I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Simple things, but very important.
Yes, self-care in the morning tells your brain, I am ready.
I respect myself.
Exactly.
Do you ever write in the morning?
Yes, sometimes I write 3 things. What I will do today, what I am thankful for, and one goal.
That is powerful.
It clears my mind.
Do you drink coffee fast?
No, slowly.
Ah, mindful coffee.
Yes, no phone, just quiet drinking.
Listeners, try this tomorrow. No phone with your coffee.
Morning is not only for the body, it is for the mind.
Yes, ask yourself, how do you want to feel today?
Calm, happy, focused.
This question changes your attitude.
I had a student, she always woke up late.
Was she stressed?
Very stressed, always late to work.
What did she change?
She woke up 20 minutes earlier, that's all.
Only 20 minutes?
Yes, she drank water, sat quietly, and planned her day.
What happened?
She felt in control, less stress, better mood.
Repeat after us. I want to wake up at. In the morning, I will. I will not check my phone because. A calm morning helps me. My new morning habit will be. Excellent.
Some people say, I am waking up at 6 every day.
Better, I wake up at 6 every day.
Another mistake, I open the light.
Correct, I turn on the light. Yes, turn on, turn off.
Say with us, make the bed, open the window, drink water, stretch the body, plan the day, stay calm.
Dear listener, you don't need a perfect morning.
You only need a better morning.
Small steps, small habits.
Big change.
If you enjoyed this episode, please follow our podcast.
Share it with a friend who wants a better morning routine.
Practice this tomorrow morning.
We will see you in the next episode.
Bye, friends. Keep learning, keep growing.